question. What they says, the cube of side length is 15 centimeter and 9 centimeters, right? So you take a one cube, okay. So you actually usually the cube will be of the same length on all of the sides, right? So you take the side length as 15 centimeter, take the first cube, okay, and you take another cube. So take some other cube, and you can have these two as have something, and the side is about 9 centimeters, okay. And what they say is it is just getting melted and cast into another two cubes. So you take this as a sugar, okay, you take both the sugar, and if you drop the sugar in water, hot water means, or it will be getting melted, and immediately you can cool it means it will be getting frozen state, and it will become another new cube. So these two get mixed and become liquid, and after freezing it will be become another new cube. And what they say means there is no wastage, okay, there is no wastage, okay. And these two are combining and forming the new cube, and the new cube's main thing, the side length is about 16 centimeter they are telling, okay. 15 plus 9, is it right? This is the cube number 1 side length, cube number 2 side length, okay. Now listen me, so you can go for the calculation part, okay. In the calculation part, what they have, the volume of, first of all we have to find the volume of first cube, okay. Volume of first cube, what is the volume? It is equal to 15, is it right? You know the volume of cube is a cube. So volume of a cube, so you know the formula, is it right? Volume of a cube, which is equal to side of the whole cube, okay. That is the formula. And which is equal to, what's the answer? 3375. You have to give the centimeter cube is the unit, okay. At the same thing, volume of second cube, is it right? Second cube is equal to, what is the volume? The 9 centimeters, is it right? So 9 cube you have to take, so that's equal to 729 as per calculation, centimeter cube, okay. And what they say is after melting, is it right? After melting, the new cube is coming, say new cube, then there will be new one cube is coming. There are no two cubes. After melting 1 and 2, it will be coming a new one cube, okay. So then the new one cube, the side length, okay, the side length of new cube, side length of new cube as per the question. What they given the question is 16 centimeters, is it right? Which is equal to 16 cube. You know this answer is 4096 centimeter cube, is it right? So we don't know about the side length of the second cube, okay. So new cube, there are two cubes available, so not the one cube. So okay, I would just apologize. The side length, okay, after casting, they are, so I think what they say is two sugar balls are getting placed inside a hot water. It is melted and it is frozen. After frozen, it will become one full cube. You are splitting into two cubes, okay. That's why they are telling the side length of another new cube, okay. Second new cube, that is we don't know, that is the one in the question there, because then the question what they given, then find the side length of second cube, okay. So that you consider as a cube, okay. So you please take it as a cube, okay. We know the complete calculation. What is the calculation means? Because we have to add the first two cubes volume, so 3375 is the first cube's volume plus 729 is the second cube volume, okay, is it right? After adding, after melting and adding these two cubes, you will get the new cube, and the new cubes first cubes, new two cubes, first cube's total volume is 4096, but we don't know the total volume of second cube, so you take it as a cube, okay. So from here it is very easy to find out the answer. So automatically a cube, so what is the 3375 plus 729? So 3300 plus 700 is 4000. So 4000 plus 4075 and 4104, is it right? So 4104, you take this 406 to that side, so minus 4096, is it right? So automatically a cube, what is the answer? A cube is equal to, so if you make a minus, you will get 8. So automatically the side length of the second cube you have to find, is it right? So side length of, what is a cube is equal to 8 means, what is a is equal to 8 power 1 by 3. What is 8 power 1 by 3? It is 2, is it right? 2 into 2 into 2, that is a 8, is it right? So answer a is said to be 2, okay. So you have to give the tick mark of the first option 2 centimeter, okay. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts means you please comment, okay. Thank you.